Jones on AY Hill Radio. Inshallah to it's the homeboy Diggy Dog, the ski master. Keep listening to AY Radio. Don't touch it, die. Now it goes on till it goes. Ashibu Daba.
Or 200 million naira will work out and no profit by the fight. Now, that's why. Why are you acting like you don't know? 200 million.
That's my husband's name you just mentioned.
What if we see 200 million I should go back out?
I'm talking that into your account. I don't know how to.
How many lives do you have? They criticize them, try to minute the minute, and women were trying to make a dinner, whatever dinner, and they cancel the children that you minute. That's a promise to earn a little, the food to take a life from the living, the COVID we get out of West Africa, Nigeria, Africa, actually, triple male video objection, and welcome to Air Radio in London. What's happening?
Àtúntò àrèrè gbogbo ọmọ Yorùbá tó ń bẹ lókè òkun àǹfààní tó jowó ẹ̀ lọ́kalẹ̀ sí ìlú London èdè mi my language ilé ẹ̀kọ́ tá a ti ń ṣe àtúpalẹ̀ èdè Yorùbá ẹgbọ́n náà ṣé Yorùbá ni àbí Yorùbá wá.
Èwo lèdè èwo lọ̀rọ̀ èwo tún làjẹ́ èdè èwo tún ni òwe.
Ọ̀tọ̀ lọ̀rọ̀ ọ̀tọ̀ lèdè ọ̀tọ̀ làjẹ́ èdè ọ̀tọ̀ tún lòwe.
Ṣùgbọ́n gbogbo ọ̀la ẹ̀fẹ̀ mọ̀ kan púpọ̀ lóde ní.
Àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ wo la tún pè ní afúnipè ọ̀rọ̀ gan-an.
Ayé ni afúnipè ayé.
Ṣé ẹ rí pé àtúpalẹ̀ gidi ni tó bá ṣe ti àmì ńkọ́ Ọlọ́run mú wa dángájá lórí ẹ̀.
Ọ̀rẹ́ dòmí ọ̀rẹ́.
Rere ṣé ẹ rí pé adángájá la ṣe pè ní àǹfààní tó jowó ẹ̀ lọ. Àwọn olùkọ́ wa pérégedé bí ìyáàfin Olúbùkọ́lá àti ìyáàfin Ọmọbọ́láńlé. Gbogbo àwọn olùkọ́ wa mọ́ fínífíní àrífín sí nínú wọn tí a ń pè ní CRP ní London.
Ìfọ̀kànbalẹ̀ wà lórí àwọn ọmọ tá a bá fi sí ìkáwọ́ wọn.
Ayẹyẹ ìfilọ́lẹ̀ yóò wáyé ní September 23, 2017 ní aago 2 àbọ̀ ọ̀sán sí aago 6 àbọ̀ ìrọ̀lẹ́. Venue Christ Harvest Center, the Royal Stone House, 258 Langham Road, Turnpike Lane Station, London, N Nigeria, 15 3MP P for Papa.
Àwọn nọ́mbà tẹ́ ó máa pè wá sí rèé o ẹ̀yin tẹ́ wà ní UK.
074778975993 lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí 074778975993.
Fún ẹ̀yin tẹ́ wà ní Nàìjíríà nọ́mbà tẹ́ ó máa pè rèé o.
+447477897593 lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí +447477897593.
Èdè mi my language.
Yes, good afternoon. Welcome to AYO Radio, United Kingdom. How's everyone doing out there today? It's Wednesday, and it's a lovely day right here on the station. Right. Yes, I know everyone has been waiting for this show. I am so super excited to actually be here in the studio with you today and to be your favorite announcer for all our radio shows. Yes, my name is DJ Ali, aka DJ Ali Journalist, aka African Boy with Charisma, aka Omoyaladura Nimanguru, aka Alibaba and the 40 Thieves, aka Ali and the Angel. Trust me, yes, this is how we do it. The program that you are about or you are getting ready. Yes, sit back, relax. You are now about to listen to one of the craziest shows. Yes, one of the fantastic radio shows on AYO Radio United Kingdom. Yes, this is the government and the people. The government and the people. And your favorite presenter, your homeboy, is, yes, the one and the only guy, Sassy. Sassy team, yes, Team Sassy. Yes, big boy. He's a musician as well, yeah. So it's about to give you a nice program. Sit back, relax, have a cup of tea, put your feet up, because once it gets started, you won't want to move an inch. Yeah. Shout out to Theresa May. Yeah. Shout out to the protesters at Waterloo Bridge. Yes. It's costing the government a lot of money. While we have some people saying there. But they can't be touched, you know. That was in Africa. Trust me. Something will happen. I had about 190 or more than that were arrested. You know, people protesting and blocking Waterloo Bridge. Imagine that. That is costing London a lot of money, and it's also causing traffic chaos. Unbelievable. Well, welcome to United Kingdom. Ladies and gentlemen, the government and the people from SASI. Enjoy it.
Okay, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I remain your host, Okwandi Gabriel, aka SASI. I welcome you once again on AYO Radio UK TV show, the station with charisma, the station that's gẹ̀rẹ̀gẹ̀dígẹ̀, those king back on you can look, those sharp rap to the best, to that to the body and no, even Ogbe Soul, don't get it twisted. AYO Radio UK TV show delay. Ayàtọ̀ sí wọn. Ẹ wo Okunade Olúṣọlá Gabriel lórúkọ mi, aka SASI Team SASI _ official. I welcome you once again on your #1 radio station, the station with charisma, station tó yàtọ̀ sí wọn, tó gẹ̀rẹ̀gẹ̀dígẹ̀, tó king gbá kan, tó dẹ̀ ṣe kíni tó jù kan lọ. On your program, our program, we program the government and the people, ìjọba àti aráàlú. Ẹ wo, this morning, this afternoon, this evening, wherever you are and you're listening to me, I have a guest in the house. I have guests in the house rather, like 2 guests in the house. I will attend to one, the others will follow. So because we need to, as you all know on this program, it's an interactive program, an informative program, an educative program, at the same time entertaining program that talk about the people to criticize themselves exactly the way they criticize the government. The program is of 2 segment house, as we all know. The first segment we treat the topic, the government and the people, and the second segment give chance for the audience, our wonderful listeners, to call, to participate, or to text messages on their ideas, objection, or any inquiries about how they feel about the program or what we need to do on the people. The one precisely we punch on, the people, the way we parent, guidance, we need to take good parental responsibility about their child in order to have a better youth and a better tomorrow. AYO Radio UK TV show delay. Ayàtọ̀ sí wọn. Don't get it twisted. We inform you, we educate you, we entertain you, and we take you high. We keep you updated because you being updated is what gives us joy. AYO Radio UK TV show, I keep punching it. Ayàtọ̀ sí wọn as king back on tomorrow. Okunade Olúṣọlá Gabriel lórúkọ mi. SASI, aka King SASI, like my boss do call it. Before I proceed, I thank the God Almighty, the man behind this season, the man behind everything. I say thank you, Lord, for keeping me alive and keeping you, my wonderful listeners, too, alive. Ọba tó ti jẹ́ ká wà, tí ó jẹ́ ká sùn lálẹ́ àná, tí kò jẹ́ ká change address ilé wa. When I say changing of address, you know what I mean. Tí ó jẹ́ ká máa gbé àbókù sọ̀rọ̀ preset, ọba mi aláàánú alágbára ńlá. I say thank you, Lord, for keeping me, you, and everyone alive. And again, before I proceed on this wonderful program, I would like to stand up and open my cap for my boss in UK, DJ Ali, the journalist, and again to my able director, Prince Michael, and again to my interim, permit me to say that, interim manager, MC Better. MC Better, wo gbẹ́sẹ̀ fún ẹ, ó yàtọ̀, ó dẹ̀ ṣe kíni, ìwọ gan ṣá. And again to my mentor, to my Jagaban, because he makes me to feel like Jagaban, MC Fufu. As you all know, Aṣojú ìjọba Nàìjíríà ni Fufu ni. This is next level, as you all know. Send your account number to my number straightforward, 081 13 14 62 42. 081 13 14 62 42. Send there, see me, send the Fufu, see, I will just forward the Fufu into your account, you just withdraw it, I'll be like, Wow, am I like here? On the program, our program, wonderful program, the government and the people. I have a guest in the house, and one is here, and I will still come in. 2 guests I have in the house today, but we need to talk and let us understand what we are really punching on this program. I have some ideas too. I'll read it out, but before I do that, let me start talk with my guest and let's hear his opinion and his objection about it. Good morning, my friend. You are in Nigeria. Good afternoon. How are you?
Fine, thank you. My name is Emmanuel. So, what is your name?
My name remains Okunade Olushola Gabriel, aka Sassy Omo Yeleko, but my man no say Leko again. So, how are you? How are you doing?
I'm fine, thank you.
As you all know, this program, the government and the people, Ijoba ati Aradu, that talks about parents, guardians, on how to criticize themselves the way they do criticize the government. When we say, parents, they will talk, say, Buhari, Ibad, Jonathan, Ibad, everything Ibad. But as a parent, as a guardian, are they doing the right thing on their child? Are they implying a good parental responsibilities on their head? So eventually, when your siblings, your relatives, or their child become a president tomorrow, or a governor, or a manager, or a very big man tomorrow, or woman, or a very elite businesswoman or man, would they be able to do what is right? Would they be able to give somebody a job by merit? Would they do it normal? When we say they go do them normal, they go do the country normal according to the good mind they have or they ask, so that the country will be going smoothly, everything will be fine. That is what we are talking about on this program. So I know you are a teenage. Permit me to ask of your age. How old are you?
16 years old.
16 years old. Wow, that is very fine. I want to ask you this question. According to your instinct, your parents, then they harsh on you well, Abba, for house.
No.
They know they house.
Yes.
Then they pet you well.
No be pets like those, but just small pets. So.
But notwithstanding, if you tell your parents, say, Mama, I won't go out now, I don't come out, come sleep. We no go tell you anything. Go say, oh yeah, go, no come.
No. You go tell me say, you go, but you go come back, but no today.
Okay. According to your instinct, do you think your parents, are they harsh on you?
I don't think so, because my parents take care of me. They send me to school. It's not a big thing, so they are not harsh on me.
Okay. Like right now, did you think the way they are treating you, the way that they bring you up now, the home training way that they give you, no lie, do you think they are leading you astray, or they want you to be a better person tomorrow?
So in my own mind, I think that they are leading me to a straight place, and I think that is good. So I keep it up. Anything they tell me, I do it. So I think that they are leading me to a good place. Okay,
it's not a problem. Thank you so much, Mr. What do you call your name again? Emmanuel. As I see, you are a student, right?
Yes.
You guys are on vacation, but what are you doing in school? Because you are on uniform.
No, we are going to summer lesson.
Summer lesson?
Yes, because of our junior WAEC.
Okay, that's wonderful. That's wonderful. Thank you so much, Mr. Emmanuel. Face your studies, your parents, say that they try on you. Make you know, say you can't like hope say you don't get married to join court.
No,
and no get married to eventually be an internet fraudster eventually. Okay. Because majority of them now, when they grow up small, carry big phone like this. Oh yeah. Now wire. I beg you, God bless you. All right, it's not a problem. Thank you so much. You're welcome back again on AYO Radio UK TV show. Another guest will soon come in, but don't get it twisted. On AYO Radio UK TV show, we inform you, educate you, entertain you, and make sure that your satisfaction is our priority. Okunade Olushola Gabriel, lorúkọ mi. If you are just listening to this program for the first time, don't get it twisted. This is AYO Radio UK TV show. A radio with a lot of charisma. Very soon, as in very, very, very soon. Amanlale Garaga. in Nilu, Nigeria, precisely in Lagos. We are going to have our frequency here live and direct. And if you're just listening for the first time, AYO Radio UK TV show, you can text or WhatsApp our studio line +44 74 87 57 02 61. Once again, +44 74 87 57 02 61. Or you can reach me on my number 081 13 14 62 42. Or if you want to reach us on our social media handles, you can reach us on Facebook, AYO Radio UK, no space as you all know, AYO Radio UK on Facebook. And if you want to reach us on or DJ Ali the journalist, or you can reach me too on my Facebook account, Team Sassy _official. Or if you want to reach us on an Instagram, just put at now at AYO Radio UK TV. At AYO Radio UK or at DJ Ali the journalist. But on my handle, on my IG, you can reach me on Team Sassy _ the government and the people. We really talk about we as the parents, the guardians, how we can criticize ourselves more and do the better thing. The way we criticize the government, the chairman, the governors, so that we can have a better tomorrow. This is AYO Radio UK TV show, a station with charisma, with Okunade Odushola Gabriel, aka Sassy. Again, I have some ideas. I have some inspirational quote as well. You know, we give you that on AYO Radio UK TV show. But I have some ideas now. But let me just read out 2 ideas. And I talk about, and I give you some inspirational quote before we proceed. Before I introduce my second guest on the program, the government and the people. Right now we are still punching and talking more about the people. Eventually we'll still talk about the government, but majority carry the vote. That is democracy, and we are practicing democracy, and we are the government. That's the reason why you stressing talk more about us being the people, so that the leaders, which we know as the government, they will know that we are doing this government. We chose them. They are there. If we don't want them, we remove them. So let us start from the scratch. Let us start from the beginning. Let us do the foundation properly, so eventually it will be good. I have one idea here. Mr. Lawal from Ibadan. He didn't specify where he is testing his message from, or Mr. Lawal from Ibadan. He said, to the parents, please don't let us make a mistake not to develop our child's skills and talent. It may be a marketable potential later. Don't let us have the mindset of them being a lawyer, doctor, or pilot, because eventually if we force them to do this, they might be frustrated, or it might lead to frustration eventually in life, so that whatever they are doing, they will be doing it with confidence and joy. Thank you so much, Mr. Lawal. Yeah, what he's saying here is to the parents, they shouldn't make the mistake of not developing their child's skills and talents, because it might be the marketable potential later. It's part of what we are talking about as the government and the people. The way parents, guardians, they do the right thing on their child. If you are training your child, if you are taking a good responsibility on your child, at least you need to notice them, notice who he is or who she is, know he or her potential, know what he or she is good at, instead of like having this same orientation of going to school, be a lawyer, going to school, be a doctor, or be something else. Know if he or she has a potential, if she has a talent, if she has skills, so eventually you develop it. I think some heroes, they are doing this and it's making them to be outstanding. I mean, it's making them to be wow. It's not all of us. Nobody all of us go work for bank. Maybe all of us go work for filling station, or maybe all of us will be a pilot, or maybe all of us will work for Chevron. So this is a part of the thing that will bring out the betterment of the country, even the youth. If you notice the potential of your child from the beginning, so the child self will grow up and he or she will be happy because you've supported them from the beginning. Thank you, Mr. Lawa, so much from Ibadan. And again, I have from Agege, Mr. Okuntoyinbo. Yeah, Mr. Okuntoyinbo from Agege. He said, please, Mr. Sasi, expand and talk more about this. Breaking news. He said, if I'm not a Nigerian, then Buhari is the Jibril from Sudan. If I'm not a Nigerian, then Buhari is the Jibril from Sudan. Atiku replies to APC. Oh, thank you so much about it. Actually, right now we are talking about the people. I copied this from Agege. I copied this. Next week I'll talk about the government. So I will definitely stress on this. But presently we are talking about the people. I don't want to mix it. I don't want to be doing it like a concussion. Thank you so much. I copied this. This will be the first thing next week that I will treat. So thank you so much. He said the former Vice President Atiku Abubakar, candidate of People Democracy Party, which is PDP, he just concluded on February 23rd, 2019 election, has replied to the congregation that if he is not a Nigerian, then our current president too is not a Nigerian. But actually, we are going to stress on that next week by God's grace. Thank you from Agege. And again, I have one inspirational quote right here. I just want to stop on that two ideas now. So because there's no much time, and I have so many things to do. I have a guest. I need to attend to my guest. I will talk more about the government and the people on AYO Radio UK TV show. And again, I have this inspirational quote says, if you don't know your destinations, you can't get your preparation right. I think you get that. If we don't know, or if you don't know your destinations, definitely you can't get your preparation right. So you know direction to get your action right. That means if you know your destination. This is coming live and direct from AYO Radio UK TV show. Look at how my friends were looking at me in the studio. They were like, oh, this guy is so optimistic about everything. Don't get it twisted. I'm with the best radio station in the world. AYO Radio UK TV show. Don't get it twisted. I yàtọ̀ sí wọn asking back country kan lọ. Alẹ́ kí ni? We are an eagle. I keep saying it. We sow. The way we move, the way we dive, it's beyond flying. Ẹyẹ ni wá, ẹyẹ di. A yàtọ̀ sí wọn. Aṣaprapra. In case you're just listening for the first time, this is AYO Radio UK TV show. God bless you, God bless you more because you are making us happy and we are making you happy. And again, welcome again on your number one radio station, AYO Radio UK TV show. Tori, this is AYO UK show. We give information, we give education. Ṣọfẹ́ polówó ọjà, àbò fẹ́ entertainment o. AYO Radio UK là ń sọ̀rọ̀. Ẹ máa bá wa ká lọ. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni ẹ máa bá wa ká lọ on the program The Government and the People. Ìjọba àti aráàlú. Ẹ wo bá a ṣe sọ lórí ètò yìí. Like I said before, on this particular program, I love it because this is what we need to do. This is what we need to reiterate on in this country, precisely in the world, because we need to change. We need a change. We need a change so that we can move to next level. We need, as a parent, as a guardian, we need to know, condemn ourselves, talk more about ourselves, criticize ourselves. Like, Am I as a parent, am I as a father doing the right thing on my child? Am I giving them the good parental responsibilities? Yesterday I was in a bus. We have traffic, so we are just talking, there are some soldiers there controlling the traffic, kudos to them. And eventually they are talking about Lagos, presently I'm in school. But they are talking about Lagos, they are talking about the current governors that is not doing properly, they are condemning, they are taking it. I don't talk. They are not saying one person in Lagos is ruling the whole state, controlling. I said there's nothing like that. There is nothing like a person is controlling the whole Lagos. Well, you should know what I'm talking about, the person they are implying to. But I said there is nothing like that. We do this government together. It's a government of the people, by the people, and for the people. That's democracy. So we don't just mount the blame or say one person is controlling the state. No. I'm just trying to imply them on their head, but I'm hearing some youth. I was so disappointed. I'm hearing some youth saying this country in Nigeria, if you don't have money, you don't have anything. Although money is the principal thing, money is above everything. But knowing yourself, knowing your rights, at times makes you a better person, because appearance chooses manner. If the guy was just illustrating, if a soldier man slap you, what will you do? That you cannot do anything. I laugh it up because I was so amused and surprised. And he's a youth. I was just like, I told him that you as a youth like this, I wonder what the influence or what you duplicate into the head of your upcoming child. What you give them as an orientation, what you will be saying to them that will give them courage, a hope of living, to make them know that we have rights in this world, that you can defend what worth fighting for is worth dying for. The guy was just proving me wrong. I was just smiling. I don't want to argue too much, because I noticed if I'm arguing, talking to him, the way I noticed him, the way I see him, the way I read him, I notice his brain does not captivate what I'm trying to imply into his hearing. So I was so disappointed. So I remember my program again that it's not, I told him it's not your fault. You cannot give what you don't have. So I discovered the guy does not, I'm sorry to say, the guy does not have the capability of that knowledge to do or to say what is right. He's talking as if he has lost hope. So this is what we are talking, what we are implying on this program. The parents, because thank God for my life, thank God for my parents, thank God for the positive people I've been moving with. Thank God for DJ Ali, my boss in UK, that inculcates so many wonderful things into my head, that encourage and talk more about me, that open my ears, that teach me, that put some things of important, cogent things in my head, that makes me to know the right and the wrong. Even though if I've done something wrong, I will scold myself, this thing is wrong, unless I want to use shakara. Because you don't know if I talk about shakara. Unless I want to use shakara. So I was so amused and so baffled that this guy has nothing upstairs. This is what we are talking about on this program, AYO Radio UK TV show, the government, on the program, the government and the people, that we, the parent, the guardian, let us do what is right. Instead of us going to the vendor, condemning the president, condemning the governors, are we as an individual, as a parent, do the right thing so that your child will go out there, face the world and do the right thing. He or she cannot be easily persuaded. He cannot go to school and join a court, cannot go to school and start doing internet fraudster. That is what you are talking about on this program, the government and the people. Ijoba ati aradu. There's no time again. Let me welcome my second guest that we need to talk about, that is here again to talk about the parents on the program, the government and the people. Like I said earlier, Musopi Muni àlejò pàtàkì kan níbí. Me, I dey call am Ileyo. Now Ileyo me I dey call am, but na alias anyway. But wọ́n ní ẹnu ní kan láti ń gbọ́ kan, àbí ṣé kan náà wọ́n á gbé? Me I don't know the kan. But anyway, let him introduce himself. Good afternoon, sir. Okay, kí lorúkọ yín?
Orúkọ mi ni Gafar Shokile.
ṣòfilẹ̀ fi yẹn sí ìyẹn ilẹ̀ yọ Gafar ṣòfilẹ̀ ilẹ̀ yọ ṣé ilẹ̀ yọ ni àbí ilẹ̀ yọ say pé the land dey sleep okay anyway Mr. Gafar ṣòfilẹ̀ aka ilẹ̀ yọ is our guest today and is a wonderful man. On this program, the government and the people, ìjọba àti aráàlú, gẹ́gẹ́ bí a ti ṣe mọ̀, he wants to talk about it. He wants to put more light about it, and he understood the program, so he has something to say about the program. Ẹ káàsán, Mr. Ileyo. The permit me to be calling you Ileyo because na Ileyo me I know. On this issue, on the parents and the child, ọmọ àtàwọn òbí, tọ́jú, what did you think it can be done properly? Because you said something earlier. Ẹ sọ wípé ọmọ mi wọ́n máa kọ́ ṣùgbọ́n kò ní gbọ́ ṣùgbọ́n àwọn ọmọ mi ẹ̀rọ gẹ́gẹ́ bí Bible àti Quran ṣe sọ ó ní kọ́ ọmọ rẹ kó bà lè fún ẹ nísinmi. Àwọn ọmọ mi wọ́n ní gbọ́, so mo fẹ́ kẹ́ ẹ bá put more light lórí like you are now. Me, I know you for some while, and I notice you've been doing some things on your own, and you are moving forward, and you are an hard-working person. So you, like somebody like you now, that has mixed with so many people, and still yet you still focus. You still like, this is what I want to do. This is what I don't want to do. Emma, definitely there's something in your head that makes you to choose what is right from what is wrong. Kí lẹ rò pé àwọn òbí lè ṣe tó túbọ̀ lè jẹ́ kí àwọn ọmọ wọn kàn lórí pípé wọn? Ọ̀bá ọ̀nà wọn lẹ́rù pé wọ́n lè gbà tọ́ wọn dáadáa. Èyí tí wọ́n fi ń condemn ìjọba yẹn tán lè gbà torí tomorrow now you can be the president of the country. Tomorrow ọmọ yín ó lè dì í. So nǹkan tí ẹ bá ń kọ́ wọn tẹ́ bá fi sí wọn lórí ló máa yẹ kán dépò yẹn lọ́la. Kò ń ṣe pé president nìkan àwọn là ń bá wí, kò ń ṣe governor nìkan là ń bá wí. Ẹlòmíì jẹ́ governor manager hotel lásán. Tọkùnrin bí irú ẹ̀yìn àbẹ́mi tá a bá wáṣẹ́ lọ kò ní dá wa lò. Obìnrin tó bá ní kàkà tó nídìí tó fáìn tó pupa yẹn bóyá ó mẹ́rìtì o ó mọṣẹ́ kò mọṣẹ́ kò máa gbà á sí i. Bó nǹkan tá a fẹ́ láfẹ́ kí a ká eradicate nílùú ni torí kí ìlú ìbàlẹ̀ dáa kí lẹ́rù pé àwọn òbí lè ṣe.
First of all,
go down low àbí.
ó ti jẹ́ àrọ ní ọ̀pọ̀ nǹkan tó máa ṣe ni pé kí òbí gbàdúrà lórí ọmọ. Ó ti yé yín téèyàn bá ní téèyàn bá kọ́ mọ tó bá kọ́ tó bá yá ó máa padà fọmọ ẹlẹ́pẹ́ ọgbẹ́ni ọmọ yìí ò gbọ́rọ̀ sí mi lẹ́nu. Èèyàn ti bímọ kéèyàn tún rẹ̀ bì ní àwọn òbí máa sọ tó bá yá ọmọ ní ọmọ ọmọ má pa mí tó bá jẹ ọmọ ọgàn má pa rẹ last. Àdúrà ni kéèyàn máa gbà pé ọmọ téèyàn bá bí kéèyàn máa fi àdúrà tì lẹ́yìn. Torí kò ní gbogbo òbí máa gbìyànjú lórí ọmọ náà. Torí tóbi bá gbìyànjú lórí ọmọ ìwà tó bá máa wù nú ẹ̀ á wù.
Gẹ́gẹ́ bí ìtẹ̀sọ́lá ọkọ yẹn sọ́pá àdúrà ni ìyẹn gangan lèmi fẹ́ dì mú torí àdúrà yẹn ló ṣe kókó.
So téèyàn bá lọ pé èèyàn lu ọmọ tó bá máa ya tọ́gì sí náà ni. Ní nǹkan téèyàn máa ṣe téèyàn bá jí báyìí kéèyàn gbàdúrà sórí ọmọ àti ọkọ àtàrí ẹ̀ fúnra ẹ̀ tó tán àtàwọn fámìlì ẹ̀ téèyàn bá ń láì.
Àdúrà yẹn ò stọ́pù pé kó o máa kọ pé ṣe báyìí o.
Àdúrà yẹn ò kọ ìṣá máa gbàdúrà lórí ọmọ ẹ̀ tó bá yọ pé o bá ọmọ wí lẹ́nu o bá ọmọ wí lọ́la ó lè sọ ìtorí ẹ̀ kó kúrò kó kẹ́rù ẹ̀ kúrò nílé.
ìwọ lára máa gé.
ó náà rẹ̀ nà ó lè kúrò kó lù lẹ́nu kó lù lọ́la kó ní àwọn ọmọ ẹ̀ ó ti tọ́gbọ̀n kó máa ṣépè fún kó máa kó ẹrù ẹ̀ kúrò ó lè máa kó ẹrù gan kó yẹ pa aṣọ méjì péré ló máa mú kúrò lé akọ̀ lọ ọwọ́ aṣọ kan torí ó náà àwọn ọ̀rẹ́ fẹ́ pé àwọn ọ̀rẹ́ máa fún láṣọ ó ti yé yín àwọn ọ̀rẹ́ dẹ̀ máa ti ẹlòmíì síbi rere ọ̀rẹ́ dẹ̀ máa ti ẹlòmíì síbi burúkú bóyá wà nìyẹn ńlá ayé torí kò tó dé kó máa sọ fún àwọn òbí ni pé àdúrà ló ṣe é kúrò lórí ọmọ tí wọ́n bá ti ń gbàdúrà ọlọ́run ibi tí ọmọ mi lọ kó rá láàánú kó rí gbogbo rẹ̀ ọlọ́run náà ò sùn ọlọ́run dẹ̀ ń ṣèkà àwọn àgbà sọ pé ọlọ́run ṣe bí báwa là ń ṣèkà àdúrà ṣe kókó nǹkan tá àdúrà bá ṣe tì irọ́ ni àdúrà ṣe kókó.
Thank you so much, Mr. Ileyo. Mo appreciate yín, mo rírì yín, pardon me to say that. And again, only question kan tí mo wà béèrè, gẹ́gẹ́ bí nǹkan tẹ́ sọ lórí àwọn òbí on how they can be of help and take a good parental responsibilities on their child. And they become like that. And somebody said it last week. Somebody told me, he said, it wasn't last week. He said the first thing to do, best thing to do as a parent is to be born again. As in, whether you are a Christian or you are a Muslim, be a born again, and now teach your child the way of the Lord. And that is actually equivalent to what you are saying now. I appreciate that. And I want you to just encourage, advise the youth. Gẹ́gẹ́ bí àwa youth nísìnyí, àwọn tó ti kọ́ tẹ́kọ̀ọ́ ti wà lórí wọn, tó ti choose nǹkan tó ń fẹ́ ṣe. Mo fẹ́ kẹ́kọ̀ọ́ wọn kí lẹ́rù ẹ fún wọn advice àwọn tó ti dàgbà ń sìn, àwọn tí ò tí ì join ẹgbẹ́kẹ́gbẹ́, àwọn tó ṣì ń wò pé káwọn join, àwọn tó dẹ̀ ti join, àwọn tó dẹ̀ ń ṣayé wọn, àwọn tó dẹ̀ ń yáyàkuyà. Advice wo lẹ kàn lè fún wọn?
Nǹkan tí mo kọ́ máa fún wọn ní advice, ẹni tó bá ń lọ sí church kó tẹ̀rẹ̀ má àdúrà, ẹni tó bá ń lọ Muslim kó tẹ̀rẹ̀ má àdúrà, kó jẹ́ pé babaláwo náà kó tẹ̀rẹ̀ má, kò síbi tá àdúrà ti ń gbà. Èèyàn kan lè wá sìn, mo lè dúró yín sìn, kó kọ̀ wọnú ṣọ́ọ̀bù kú ní ẹ̀gbọ́n òun rí nǹkan báyìí sí mi o, ẹ lọ ṣe nǹkan báyìí o. Tó bá ní bídí fún náà náà pé Ọlọ́run gbénu ẹ̀ lọ sí, ó lè change mind ẹ̀, ọkọ̀ máa ro bíburú sí ẹ. Èèyàn kọ́kọ́ lè wá pé báyìí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀ o, ò lè lọ ṣe torí àdúrà náà téèyàn bá ń gbàdúrà náà aláàtì bí téèyàn rere. Nǹkan tí máa kọ sọ fún yàn, ọ̀rẹ́ máa ń pa ẹyin, ọ̀rẹ́ dẹ̀ máa ń lanu. Ọ̀rẹ́ mi wà ó lè tiẹ̀ síbi burúkú, ọ̀rẹ́ mi wà ó lè tiẹ̀ síbi rere. Ilé ayé ṣe wà náà nìyẹn.
Thank you so much, Mr. Ileyo. God bless you more. I remain Okunade Olushola Gabriel, aka Sassy. It won't be more than this on your #1 radio station, AYO Radio UK TV show. Don't get it twisted. Ayàtọ̀ sí wọn. Ẹ ti rí Ileyo gan wà bí olóòfin sọ, ó ní ilẹ̀ ń yọ. Ẹ wo ẹgbẹ́sẹ̀ yìí. Kẹ̀sẹ̀ kí ni gbé bọ́ọ̀dì ẹ̀. By this time next week, Wednesday, we will come back. We talk about the government and the people. Ìjọba àti aráàlú. Next week, don't forget, we are going to punch more on the government this time because I have some ideas, so I don't want to neglect them. I want you guys to understand that we are not biased about everything. So thank you so much and stay blessed. God bless you. Bye.
What a fantastic radio show. Yes, the government and the people by your boy Sassy and 2 special guests. Interesting, yes. Surprising, yes. Entertaining, of course, yes. That's what we do best right here on AYO Radio United Kingdom. Thank you so much to everyone. Another program is starting very soon, but we're going to switch to our Nigerian station, Nigerian channel. Yes, so where we broadcast 24/7. Thank you so much, everyone, for listening. God bless you. Stay tuned. Do as a jingle as your God, your spirit directs you.
All right.
Let go.
I am going on a summer holiday. A summer holiday. I am going on a summer holiday. Who's gonna go with me? Oh, that girl with the biggie. Hey, what's up, everybody? They call me White Q, aka the Hookmaster. And right now, we're listening to AYO Radio. London, UK, keep it locked one time, Shy.
Nice one, Baba. Nice one.
Good day, everyone. How are you today? Wherever you are, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. From whichever part of the world you're listening from. This is AYO Radio UK. To join us on the program, you can call the studio line +44701528. It's my first debut here, and I want you to be familiar with the name Adiola Adebambo Daniel, aka Toka Bravo. Like I said earlier, this is my first debut, and you are onto the program Blue Corners, where I will give you shoulders to lean on. You don't have to bottle it up. Call in, let's talk. Heart to heart, and you can also share your experiences with us, your unforgettable memories. We are here for you to be part of you, to share both of your pains and gains. It's a program you don't want to miss, because you will surely be educated and your body will be lifted. You are on to Blue Corners on AYO Radio UK, and the number to call is +447 01 528, and the voice you're listening to is the voice of Toke Bravo. Call in, let's shout, let's gist, and let's have fun.
We are engagement coordinators, also known as Alaga. We always make occasions great. We add joy and glamour to the home of bride and bridegroom. We make sure we cancel them. May God make them productive and the union permanent. We are not here for competition, but to make their day groovy. Their happiness is our concern, even after today. May God bless you and me. May the good Lord replenish you for every morning spent today. Amen. So shall
àjọ akọ́ṣẹ́mọṣẹ́ tó ń mójútó ètò ìdarí ayẹyẹ ìdáná ìgbéyàwó lórílẹ̀‐èdè nàìjíríà ẹ̀ka ti United Kingdom Association of Professional Wedding Engagement Coordinators of Nigeria APWECON UK chapter nínú ìfẹ́ ohun ìṣọ̀kan tó ń bẹ láàrin gbogbo adarí ètò ayẹyẹ ìdáná ìgbéyàwó ní UK láti ń fi àpẹẹrẹ gbáǹkọ́kọ́ ìlànà rere lélẹ̀ ká lè fòpin sí ìtakọ̀ngbọ̀n iṣẹ́ láàrin kó wá pẹ̀lú ìdánilẹ́kọ̀ọ́ tó yè kooro lórí pàtàkì tó ń bẹ nínú ètò ìdáná engagement àwọn àgbékalẹ̀ tó jiná dénú láti bu ìkún gbogbo ojúṣe àkọ́ṣẹ́mọṣẹ́ lóòrèkóòrè nínú iṣẹ́ wọn. èyí la fi rán wa létí ọjọ́ ìpàdé gbogbogbò tó ń wáyé nírọ̀lẹ́ Monday àkọ́kọ́ láago 7. ẹ yàgò fún àwọn ọ̀fọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ kò jiná dénú tí wọ́n ń ba ayẹyẹ àtọ́jú ayọ̀ ẹni jẹ́. ẹ máa gbé gbogbo ètò ayẹyẹ ìdáná ìgbéyàwó yín bọ̀ lọ́dọ̀ wa fún ojúdá iṣẹ́ tó ta lẹ́nu múnú ẹni dùn yùngbàyùngbà. Association of Professional Wedding Engagement Coordinators of Nigeria APWECON UK chapter. Our general meeting holds on every first Monday evening at 7 p.m. For more information, call the president Kemi Shewaniku on 07932406087 or the secretary Ume West on 07473904499. APWECON, Association of Professional Wedding Engagement Coordinators of Nigeria UK chapter. Add an everlasting color to your memory day.
We are engagement coordinators, also known as Alaga. We always make occasions great. We add joy and glamour to the home of bride and bridegroom. We make sure we cancel them. May God make them productive and the union permanent. We are not here for competition, but to make their day groovy. Their happiness is our concern, even after today. May God bless you and me. May the good Lord replenish you for every morning spent today. Amen. So shall it be.
It has to be Astamin promotes good health in adults and children. With Astamin, vitality and vigor is promoted, especially during hard work and sports. Also, Astamin helps fast recovery from illness. With essential amino acids and vitamins in Astamin, your body will perform optimally.
You can find Astamin in all registered pharmaceutical shops across the country.
Astamin, the building blocks for good health of the family. Astamin, marketed by Fitson Healthcare Limited, the company that values life.
Check it. Mac check 1 2 1 2. Your boy Big T. You represent 166 family. I'm on Bush in Law, UK and worldwide. Now I'm saying I'm chilling with DJ Ali. On fait no shit like to go to no see wow. And learn your body see you rara. On fait no shit lady at Timothy Bobby trying this time. You will get burn. Yeah, DJ Ali, Big T. I'm Bush in Law. Shout out to everyone, East, West, South, North, DJ Ali, Big T.
I am making ricotta, mama Africa, ricotta, make me dance, yeah. What's up, everybody? This is your boy Van, and we are black. Keep listening.
Nice one, Baba. Thank you so much for coming.
Good day, everyone. How are you today? Wherever you are, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, from whichever part of the world you're listening from. This is AYO Radio UK. To join us on the program, you can call the studio line +4470158. It's my first debut here, and I want you to be familiar with the name Adiola Adebambo Daniel, aka Toka Bravo. Like I said earlier, this is my first debut, and you are onto the program Blue Corners, where I will give you shoulders to lean on. You don't have to bottle it up. Call in, let's talk. Heart to heart, and you can also share your experiences with us, your unforgettable memories. We are here for you, to be part of you, to share both of your pains and gains. It's a program you don't want to miss, because you will surely be educated and your body will be lifted. You are on to Blue Corners on AYO Radio UK, and the number to call is +447 01-528, and the voice you're listening to is the voice of Toka Bravo. Call in, let's chat, let's gist, and let's have fun.
Ladies and gentlemen, may I have your attention, please?
It's the breakfast show. It's the breakfast show. It's the breakfast show. Starting your day the right way.
Remix. Music.
Ladies and gentlemen, start your day the right way with the Breakfast Show. AYO Radio.
Simply the best. Energy. Technology. Good morning.
Hey people, it's your girl Cindy. Today we'll be talking about who cheats the most in relationships. Now most women will come out and say, hey, it's the men that cheat though. They are the ones that are polygamous in nature. Men cannot do without having a side chick. While the men will come out in their defense and say, it's the women. Women are very gullible.